Yo, what's poppin' everybody? It's your boy back here, Lucas, bring one more tip for you today. Hope you're doing fine. And before I start, I just want to remind you to follow me in all my social medias, especially on Instagram, because I teach English there every day. And let's talk about possessive adjectives versus possessive pronouns. Possessive adjectives are adjectives that is used to show ownership, okay? It comes before a noun in the sentence and let us know to whom the adjective belongs to, okay? For example, I have here my book. This is my book. My indicates to whom this book belongs to. This book belongs to me, so it's my book, okay? This is my cell phone, okay? Or this could be your cell phone. Your is telling me to whom this cell phone belongs to. What are the possessive adjectives? We have my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their, her book, her cell phone, their television. My book is on the table. I think you forgot your purse. The dog buried its bone. The girls missed their bus. Joey left his bat at home. Now let's talk about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to avoid repetition in the sentence. I don't wanna be repetitive all the time. So I could say, the house in the corner is ours. I don't wanna be repetitive and say, the house in the corner is our house. I don't wanna say house two times in the same sentence. So the list of possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. I could also tell you the following question. Which of these helmets is yours? If I would say the complete sentence being repetitive, I would say, which of these helmets is your helmet? But I don't want to repeat helmet, so which of these helmets is yours? I also have here other sentence. The house on the corner is ours. I think the chocolate cookies at the party was hers. The phone that is ringing is yours. The zebra striped book bag is mine.
Cambly.
Os tutores do Cambly estão disponíveis 24 horas por dia.
Através do computador ou do aplicativo de celular também.
Experimente!
Actually, we should practice it using daily specific activities. Grammar and exercises are not the focus of our course. Our focus should be directed to what I call training process. We are gonna practice it. But don't worry about it, we have it all prepared for you here in video classes.
That is the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Hope you guys understand that. If you still have any question, please leave down in the comments below. Leave some more examples also to help others to understand, and it helps you to press a little bit, alright? Smash the like button if you like this video, because that helps me a lot. Hit the bell to receive notification on your cell phone every time I post a new video. If you are still not following me in all my social medias, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook, here on YouTube. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, peace out.